County.
Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located at 8 miles, 61 miles, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Covington, Social Circle, Good Hope, Jersey, Herndonville, Ebenezer, Brick Store and Panel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.